Howdy, partner. Do you want to learn how to hang a mirror? Well, you're in luck. I'm going to show you today. Hanging a big mirror like this is really easy if you just follow these few simple steps. So first, look at the back and figure out if it has one of these wire hangers or if it's going to have some sort of other either sawtooth hanger or other latches or whatever else. So this one, you can either put one nail or screw right in the middle, which will work. Although if you're in an area that's prone to sort of movement or you're going to have people touching a lot, if you do two, it's less likely to shift. So you can do one or two, it's up to you. If you do two, they need to be level. Now what we're going to do is figure out exactly where we want to put this, which is going to be about right here. And I'm going to center it on the wall. So the next question, do you have a stud that you can mount this into, or do you need to use an anchor? That mirror is about 15 pounds, it's pretty heavy. So we're going to look, this is my favorite stud finder. If you want to come and check it out, what it does is it has very strong magnets. I'll go ahead and link in the description. And you just run it along until you find one of the nails from the drywall and it'll hang. It really works good. Those beeping ones are tricky, but there's one here and the next one's not till over here. So this is not going to work. Now we do have an old nail here, which is from holding a light picture, but we can't hang the mirror on that little nail. We're going to go ahead and measure the width of this wall, which is at 37 inches. So we want to go ahead and go to 18.5 and make a mark. And I already knew the height of where we wanted it. Now, if you had a stud that was really close, you could just move the mirror over a little. I don't want it over this far, so we're gonna have to use an anchor. In terms of what anchor to use, these are my favorite anchors. These are from Toggler. There's a couple other brands that have these, but they screw straight in. I'll show you how to use them, and they hold a lot of weight. So it's saying a big one here holds 79 pounds, which is way more than this. If you had one of the big mirrors, like a full-size mirror, they have these other anchors that are pretty neat that have these like almost a zip tie on it. And what these do is you drill a hole, you push them in, you zip tie them tight, and then you put in a big bolt. This is what I would use if you had to hang a really heavy mirror in drywall. Although your ideal thing for a really heavy mirror is going to be a stud. So we marked our spot. We're going to take that toggler and we're just going to get it started. If you want to come close. You don't have to pre-drill with these, and you just want to gently let it do the drilling. It's going to go in, just like that. The second step of this one is going to be to take the included screw, leave a little bit for it to hang on. Then you're going to take that mirror. Again, you can figure out if you're going to use one or two. We're just going to try the one. Get it hung right on it with all the wires. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a mirror that's never going to go anywhere and looks great. Like I said, it will move a little. If we need to, we can always add in a second or a third nail up there to keep it straight. But that should be pretty good. It's right at the height that we want it. And overall, a great project. Hope this was helpful. If you was, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great home how-to tips and tricks. And remember, with all these projects, if I can do it, you can too. Thanks for watching.